A small town in the American Midwest. A local church needs a new sanctuary. The old one has reached the end of its working life. Too small, too fragile, too expensive to keep patching. The replacement will cost something in the order of $2 million, and the congregation will fund it themselves. $2 million, raised entirely from voluntary donations, is the kind of decision that normally dies in committee. Committee meetings are where churches go to disagree. Style, layout, whether the new building should look like the old one, or like nothing the old one ever was, whether the budget is realistic or aspirational, who gets a vote, who gets a voice, who gets a polite invitation to sit down, the kind of disagreement that doesn't resolve because the room contains people who've known each other for 20 years and aren't planning to fall out over carpet. The pastor and trustees do the opposite of what committee wisdom says. Instead of gatekeeping the decisions and presenting them back to the congregation for ratification, here is what we decided, here is what we need from you. They invite the congregation into the process at every stage. Members vote on which architects to interview. Members react to the design variants the architects bring back. Members track the budget publicly, line by line, as the project moves. It is slower in the short term. The committee, internally, sometimes wonders whether they've made the work harder than it needs to be. But the decisions hold. The budget gets met. The donations come in without the resentment that normally arrives when a congregation has been told what was decided for them. The building goes up. The pattern matters more than the building. They didn't gatekeep the meeting. They opened it. And the room, given a real say, did the work the committee thought only the committee could do. So let's go to the office and work through it.